Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will show you and tell you how to add a contact in WhatsApp. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to write your comments under the video and also put your likes. So, dear friends, let us get down to the topic. And let me tell you right away that actually the process of adding a contact in WhatsApp, it is very simple. But first of all, you need your new contact to be in your phone book. So first you add a new contact, for example, a new friend's contact in your phone book, and then it will automatically appear in WhatsApp if the person is using WhatsApp. So friends, watch this. When you open the phone app, here you will have to go to Contacts, and at the top on the right-hand side tap plus, in order to add a new contact like this. Here you can add a name. Next you can add a phone number that you see fit. After that you can add email, address, birthday, some information. Once you've done all that, just click Ready at the top. Then go to WhatsApp itself. Then in WhatsApp go to the chat option. Then at the top, also on the right-hand side, click on plus. And now you can either search for that person through the search bar and type in their name. Or you can scroll down and find, like, a contact in the list. So look, the first thing is if your contacts are grayed out like this, that means they're not using WhatsApp, so they're not automatically added. And if your contacts are higher than this list, or they're highlighted in green, that means they are in WhatsApp. So, if you want to add a new contact to WhatsApp, but they're not on the app, you can easily send them that invitation. And for that, you will just have to tap on the name of the person. And as you can see, he will immediately get such a message inviting him to join the WhatsApp chat to chat with you and a link. Friends, this is the way you can easily add a contact in WhatsApp app. I really hope this video has helped you and that it was useful to you. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, make sure to write your comments below the video, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.